Special request to all youth and youth voucher. But y'all get me juggle down in the liquor more.
Yes, y'all. You're now rocking with the best, y'all. For all the crew inside, all the massive. I want you watch y'all, yeah, for real.
Long time we ain't had a dance. Long time we ain't had a dance. We come for nice up your area. We come for nice up your area. Circle all the mouse from Babylon. Come for hear the rhythm till I just stop one. We come for nice up your area. We come for nice up your area.
Yo, I wreck my camp and leave my stamp on all them rich white kids who like to dress like tramps and all them broke kids who want to dress like kings and want to shot them things and rock them blings. That's how we roll, yo. Big and blood clot bowl, you done know. Rhythm kill up on the mic control, and I'm the livest. He's the doggest. You know my vibe is early 90s, yardie girls and shocking color battle riders. And it's
long time we ain't had a dance.
You heard? Yeah.
Long time we ain't had a dance.
Whoa.
We come for nice up your area. We come for nice up your area.
All the massive, yo.
Circle all the mouse from Babylon. Come for hear the rhythm till I just stop one. We come for nice up your area. We come for nice up your area.
Yo, we're sick with it and physically fit with it. From you got the bum lick rude boy, then stick with it. Ride the dips with it. Tell them boy they go on, girls bump their hips with it. Cause this one of the bomb. I want you come go with me, come flow with me. And we stay pissy on JD, not prissy. Born to be free like Kunta and Kizzy. And there's no time for sleep, rude boy, we stay busy. So, get with me, bounce and sweat with me. Man, them on the floor, big bounce and check with me. You got the sense of me, now why you run, come give me. Cause I ain't trying to claim Jiggy, but puff like P. Diddy and yo.
Long time we ain't had a dance. Long time we ain't had a dance. We come for nice up your area. We come for nice up your area.
All the massive, yeah.
Circle all the mouse from Babylon. Come for hear the rhythm till I just stop one. We come for nice up your area. We come for nice up your area.
Nothing to see, nothing to hear, nothing to be, nothing to fear, nothing to prove, nothing to say, nothing to lose, nothing to gain, nothing to feel, nothing to hate, nothing is real, it's all too late. What do you do when nothing's wrong? Ain't got a clue, ain't got no song. You're foaming at the mouth. You're a mad without a doubt. Cause I'm really freaking out. And I'm going out of my mind. TV got me going blind. And I'm really freaking out. Hey man, you think you got it made, proving you stink on your fan base. Got on your aviator shades. Yeah man, you're looking really ace. So what the hell you doing here? Filling the space between my ears. Why don't you all just disappear? Because all your friends just way too dear. You're foaming at the mouth. You're mad without a doubt.
My name is Isabel Balston. I'm a local councillor for this ward, Thames Ward, in Caversham area. And I've been having a look around, seeing what all the young people are doing here, which is very, very positive. Great to see people volunteer to help the environment. And I do hope more people are encouraged to do the same.